Hey friends, today's video I'm going to expand upon what I did yesterday. I made a video on Lotus Root Soup, and here's the soup. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some chicken and I'm going to add it to the soup. These are chicken thighs. I put quite a bit of water in the soup, and I already ate quite a bit of the lotus root. I guess I could add some more lotus root now that I think about it. Okay, I cut up the rest of my lotus roots soup since. Ooh. Oh gosh, that smells good. Wow, that's really tender chicken. It's good. The chicken is not particularly flavorful. I think if I had marinated the chicken beforehand or maybe fried it, marinated and fried it prior to putting it in the deep cooker, I think it would have really helped the flavor and the texture. Right now it's kind of soft, but that's for another video. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.